Okay, so it's Sunday, and now we're going to.
Sundays for the boys.
It's definitely not how it goes. We ain't no TJ Hunt here.
Well, if I know anything, that guy was waving a flag around on a Sunday. It said Saturdays for the boys.
Yeah, exactly. Well, obviously he's confused.
He didn't know what day it was on Automotion.
But yeah, so now we're gonna rebuild the turbo. We're already like getting there, and then do that. Take it for a spin, and hope that that fixes the issue, and then we can put the intercooler on. You know, we could probably put the intercooler on everything today. If it's still leaking, we can just everything except for hook up the intake. So we're gonna get that shit hooked up. So get excited to see an intercooler on the front of this car. I think it's gonna. Are we having it sit up here, right?
Yeah.
So we have it sit up here. And then, like, over here, we're going to cut a hole, and cut a hole over there. Holes everywhere. So, the longer Paul owns the car, the less he gives a shit about the actual chassis. Because I remember a point when he's like, oh, I'm not cutting any of that. Like, because I told him to do this, and he's like, no, I'm not going to ruin the car. And then he's like, oh, I came up with this idea on my own. Yeah, okay. So, yeah. But it should be pretty dope. And yeah, let's carry on. Oh, we're slowly getting there. That sounds great. It's probably because the thing's not bolted down all the way, so it's not. It'll wear itself out. But yeah, kind of getting there, slowly but surely. Alright, so here's the header. We're redoing the drain again, and then I'm going to try and exhaust wrap as much of this as I can. So let's see what we can get done. Well, here's what we ended up with. Doesn't look terrible, but doesn't look great. Okay. Hose clamps work really good. We found that out. Because they have the metal zip ties, but we never really have luck with them. Well, Paul never has luck with them.
Yeah, that was fun.
Mine work, but yeah. Now we just got to make the drain line again and hope to God that that fucking works. Alright, well, there it is. So we rerouted it again. Got a 90 here, and then it flows down and down into there, into the front. So works out pretty good. Got this heat shield on there, which actually is pretty useless now, because it's not even really close. And yeah, looks
close to the
A1.
The wastegate. It's like right there. So that's not a big deal.
Yeah, wastegate, I mean, well, it'll get hot, but it won't be glowing like your manifold.
Yeah.
Should still be good. But yeah, so there's that. Now we just gotta take it out, take it for a spin. Gotta like dry the shit out of this to make sure that that's definitely got no oil in it. And hope to God there's no fucking oil. So stay tuned when there is oil. Well, before we do any exhaust modifications, you probably can't even hear me, but before we do any exhaust modifications, we're gonna get a sound clip here of the idle and rev it up a little bit. I'm going to try from this angle, and then I'll come from the other angle just in case. I got the shotgun mic up here, so hopefully the audio is better, other than right now, because it's not facing me. Alright. Did you find the other one, or no?
It's in the car, I think.
Oh, okay. So yeah, that is not good. So we're going to try going to the smallest restrictor we can go with. So hopefully that does it. So hopefully that does it, and then we can do some exhaust work. Alright, well, we removed the hood just because it was getting annoying getting domed with it, so it kept falling on our heads because only one side was holding it up. So now we put a smaller restrictor in there. We're gonna go try and see if that fixes it. Hopefully this does, so we can continue on with the intercooler stuff. If not, we can just focus on exhaust or something. and get the intercooler mounted. So, but we'll see what happens. All right, well, might as well get a drive-by for Paul on the exhaust before we modify it. Well, it is not promising. We're still fucking getting oil. So, yeah, we're fresh out of fucking ideas. We've rebuilt the turbo like fucking 4 or 5 times now. And it's got a fucking restrictor in there. We fucking we fixed what we thought was the issue, which was like the high oil pressure. Unless something, and then we also fixed the drain. Yeah, we're fucking fresh out of ideas. So the drain works. Fucking got a restrictor in there. It's been rebuilt. Don't know. Fresh out of ideas. So I think we're gonna just work on the exhaust, I guess. Work on the exhaust. And then we'll probably do the next video will be intercooler. And then, I mean, they'll probably be the same day as today. Just don't want the video to be crazy long. So yeah, let's see if we can get this exhaust done, I guess. Trying to make something of this fucking day. But yeah, let's get the exhaust done. JK, we're not ready to give up on the oil problem. So we're gonna try with just those off, not going to this catch can shit.
Oh yeah, no restrictor either again.
No restrictor again?
Yeah, I didn't.
Yeah. Oh yeah, and then we also like we took the oil filter or the oil feed line. We took that off, and then scientifically he revved it 3 times, and we filled up that bottle, and there's virtually no difference. So I mean, there was a very little, but it was a very shittily done experiment. But yeah, so we're back to no restrictor. And then we're going to try that because we're believing that crank pressure could be causing an issue.
And that catch can's not, we don't have it set up
Yeah,
right or something.
we don't know how this catch can works. It's gay. I don't like it. I think it should go in the trash.
It's $300, so it's
Yeah.
above its pay grade.
It's junk. That's what it is.
We knew how to use it.
Its specific application is for something else. It's not a universal.
It's for a Mini Cooper, ATS-V, F-150, LS.
All of which suck. All of which suck.
Mini Cooper?
Yeah, fucking Mini Coopers. Fuck those things. Gay. Junk. So let's go hope to God that this fixes the issue. If not, $5 or best offer. Okay, so exhaust, drop that idea. Intercooler, drop that idea, because neither one of those are fucking happening today. So we're at Home Depot. We're going to try and get some stuff for his knock sensor. Then we need to get a larger barb fitting. I think that's it. And then we've pretty much come to the conclusion we're going to redo the manifold.
At some point.
Probably sooner rather than later. So that's the game plan. All right, so we kind of replumbed all this. So this is good. Then we went and took it for a spin. It doesn't seem like it's putting out too much oil. At least it feels like it's a little bit better. Yeah. But I mean, it's still putting out oil. It's enough to where we don't want to put up the intercooler yet because we don't want to fill it with that oil. That'd be bad. But so in a future episode, what we're gonna do is we're gonna end up cutting the wastegate and then re-welding it this direction in some way, shape, or form. So then we'll be able to put a straight A antenna on there, and it'll just basically go straight down, and hopefully that'll fix it. We're really hoping that that's what it is. So I don't see why it's doing that, but hopefully that's what it is. I mean, maybe it's just because your oil pressure is way higher than mine, so that's probably why. But
yeah,
but yeah, hopefully that'll fucking fix that, because this is getting annoying. But yeah, Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.